It's about 4:30. Han, what time is it now?
Jasmine.
Han, what time is it?
The time is
4:13 in the morning. We're about to leave. We're gonna head to
exactly
Darana. 4:20. Darana Falls in Tanay. It's about 3.5 hours before we head to Infanta. Sino may toyo?
Ay, vlog.
Oh, hindi personal lang to. Hi, Han. We're at, we just got here at Darana Falls. I forgot to take video when we were at Windell's restaurant. That was a beautiful view. Very nice, highly recommend the restaurant. Tanay Falls. Darana Falls in Tanay. There you go. Ganda. So far, maganda. Hey, hi, Han.
Hi.
Hey, hey.
Hi.
Danarak. Para kamuntik na maging darak. Rules and policies. Use of karaoke, Bluetooth, blah, 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 strictly prohibited. Okay.
Kaliwa ko sa may tarpaulin. Malanggap. Walang rescue dito, walang rescue. Nakabidyo.
Malanggam.
There's the falls. Wait. Gotta watch moving. Butlag Falls.
Okay na ako doon. Doon na ako.
It's a little uphill. It's about 3 to 4 minutes. But with us, probably 10 minutes.
Especially with Lilet.
I did not know these are ano pala, Han?
Oh, yan ang kansi.
No. The castañas.
Yeah. But I mean this.
Oh, that's the kansi.
Yeah, yan nga.
Yeah, yan ang kansi. Right there.
Kansi daw eh.
Oh, very short walk. Well, it's a little steep though. There's Butlag Falls. There's 2 falls actually. One on the left, right there. And the main one on the right. Butlag Falls.
Eh, pag ganun sa dulo, maraming doon. May bato naman doon. Doon sa may falls mismo. May bato doon.
Oh, yeah. We're on Marcos Highway. We're about 40 minutes, 27 miles from Infanta proper. This is already Infanta. We came from Taranac Falls in Tanay, and then this is Marcos Highway heading to Infanta proper. We're gonna check in first, and then we're gonna meet Nelsie and them, Tim Bakata and Tim Hitik of the YouTubers. Of Infanta. There's the church, and this is the municipal hall or building, 7-Eleven, and there's our hotel right there, the white, that's decent, the white building. Yeah, there's a big celebration last night. I totally got out of me. I forgot to take videos, but there was celebration here. There was like a concert. It's 415th year of foundation of this town. They opened the door, they opened the road now. Everything was closed in one way last night, yesterday. There you go. Ang daming pako sa akin, pero mga nakapaso. Hindi ko alam na kinakain yung pako. Salada. Yeah, ganun ginagawa niya.
Oh, you talk ha. Nakaon ako.
Huh?
Gubat talaga siya.
Ito malaki po. Yeah.
Ay, bakod. Hindi mo raw ipapasok.
We're here at the fish pond. Kina Nelsie. Yan ang mga tanim nila. Oh, so ganda. Ganda rito. Maliwalas.
Yung po niluto namin kamote, dito po namin hinukay.
Dito po ano nga naman ito.
Malunggay po iyan.
Malunggay po ito?
Opo. Malunggay, Chinese malunggay.
Chinese malunggay. Kaya pala hindi kami nagkakaintindihan mula kanina.
Ay, ito na yung ano, ilog.
Ay, ano to? May laman to, oh. May talangka to.
May talangka?
Siguro, may bagong ano. Parang kais yan. Ay, ito po.
Mangingitim po kayo. O mamo, baka gusto niyo.
Okay lang po.
Hindi pa yung sasakyan.
Oh, may isa pa po akong payo.
Nag-video.
Okay lang po. Mainit po talaga.
Oh, Madam Ana Marie. Oh.
Sobrang presto na eh.
Yeah.
Grabe ka init.
Yan may talang kasi.
Balik to, balik. Balik, balik. Balik, balik, balik. Balik. Pulot, balik. Balik. Balik ko, balik. Balik.
Gusto mong, you wanna see me climb ano?
Ay, 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 ay.
Hindi naman ang gano'n.
Anong lulakasan dyan? Hindi, ako. Ayun, tanding mo. Hintay nga lima mo. Ayun, sa kawayan. Uy, ayaw sa kanyang bangka, oh. Sa makenda, no?
Ano po? Ano pong masasabi nyo?
Isa na lang ang kulang.
Ano?
Yung nawawala kong tuba. Isa natin naman nag-vlog alwa na ila pero makanitala pang war no bro. Ila pang war mag-guide ka rin tayo. Kristo.
Be careful.
Tsaka may nakbag yan, eh. Lalo yan, tanaman tayo yun.
1, 2, 3.
Pwedeng maglagay dito tayo kahit sambon lang.
Alam mo ko na yung seat. Naka-on.
Nile, smile.
Ay, maninima daw po si Boss.
Manghipon.
Maninima yung yan mga pagposo.
Ay, sorry ate.
Paborito mo.
Tikman ko lang mga
Fresh yan. Fresh yan
Kain na kayo.
Yan si
si Pulot.
Ulod.
Si Pulot. Yan pinapulot lang kami doon.
Kaya tinawag na Pulot.
Oo, dyan po. As gilid.
Oo.
pala pulot.
Yan eh, payat na payat.
Oo, nung nakita ko sa vlog talagang parang walang ano eh.
Para sa matapang.
Oo, no.
Matapang po dati iyan. Pero
Siguro.
ngayon parang ano. Yan po dati hindi lumalapit sa tao.
Oo. Siguro na
Na-trauma.
Ilap niya dati.
na-abuse dati to.
Na-trauma siya.
Na-trauma siya yan. Sabi ko sa kanila, magre-retire ako sa Infanta. Kasi nakita ko ang ganda ng ilog. Eh, mahilig ako.
Ay, lalo pag baga malam. Nako niya din na.
Eh, last year, di ba umapaw?
Maghahanap ka ng property, pwede ka magpa...
Maliit pa to, no?
Same na yan.
Ay, Han, pakipicture.
Tatlo pala yun.
Yung isa pa sir, yung isa pa parang dalawa.
Baliktarin pa ya.
Hindi, mas nakikita yung ano.
Yan.
Ito ay,
Mas malaki yata isa ini.
ito ay babae.
Bakla.
Ah, yung isa yung natanggalan na
Ito lalaki. Ito lalaki.
Picture yung dalawa.
Ay,
Yung isa.
ay, hindi mo na mabebenta yun, no?
O, picture mo yung dalawa.
Reject na po.
Oh.
Roll, tanggal na daw.
Hulihin niya.
Papayat sila dahil kikan sa tayo.
Walang tataklahakin.
Asal din si boss. Pinapanood ko si bossing eh. Ganun pala mister.
Hawakan niyo po. Baka sa amin tumama.
Tapos magtatawanan na naman ako ng tao. Oh!
Mahaba pala yun.
Dapat ba? Ano yan
Ay, pag ano ka
palayuan?
ng pagkain ng bangos.
Tinatry lang. Pinapatry ko. Baka mamay kami nasa bangkan ay doon pa mag-practice ay. Tumao.
Malamang.
Yan po, sinatry. Sinet up ko na yun.
Marami po siyang fans, pero wala siyang nakuha.
Maraming fans. Oh.
Nakahuli ako ng maliliit.
Parang mawawalan yung fans.
Marami po siyang fans. Mawawala na siya ng fans.
Yan, okay.
Hindi kaya tayo
Ready na.
gumamit nito.
Pero
Baka
yan
tayo
po,
na
hindi
yun.
ko sure kung ikakainin ng ano.
Baka namin nilaglag ha.
Kasama ko lang naman ang walang bilib sa akin.
Tingnan natin.
Pag nakahuli ako, ano?
Pero doon na isang ikaw dito ah. Sagwa, nasaan?
Ah, balot na dyan. Nagpakikabot nga dyan.
Oo.
Dahan-dahan lang pagbaba.
See you next month. See you next month. Ingat kayo.
Busay, pasakay din ako.
Susulat.
Nakita kita tayo sa pag-Christian.
Pasakay din po kayo.
Takot yan. Kailangan may life vest pa yan bago makasakay na ano.
Igapit mo white yung ano.
Magpakitang gilas ka.
Ah, walang upuan pala.
Mababaw ang tubig yan. Baka
O, mababaw po. Kakad nyo lang po.
Ay, ano? Ayun na.
Doon ka po maupo sa dulo.
Sa dulo daw, sa dulo.
Kabilang dulo po kayo. Yan.
O, tingin ka rito.
Oo, kayo ni Bossing ha. Pwede po kayo tumayo pag kaya nyo na, pag nabalan po na.
Ay, nakahuli na.
Dapat ay may chupon.
Skype. Sumo Skype.
Ito po na score.
Nasa naman yung bodo niya doon.
Nahuli kayo.
Madami nga eh. Magbababa muna, saka uli bumalik.
Pero ang pinakamalaking gastos na ito ay bahay. Buti sure diba?
At least ang problema na lang po namin, yung daily.
Daily lang, oh. Housings nandun na.
Han, anong huli?
Hindi, wala.
May kumagat kaso nakawala lang.
We.
Palaging gano'n sinasabi ko. May kumagat.
Talakitok ba yan? Parang ano ah. Sapsap.
Tingnan yata yung nakuha kaninahan.
Yan, parang yan nga yung nakawala.
Yung kanina.
We, inangkin.
Inayakon.
Inaangkin.
Pinagbigyan lang si Baron.
Talabahan. Oh, ayun. Nakadikit yun.
Yeah, that's not oyster. Oyster. Well, it's 6:50 right now. We left Infanta a little past 4 o'clock, and we just got here at Kamay ni Jesus. I just saw it. Oh, right there. I just saw him right there. But we'll just have breakfast, and then we'll walk around, take some pictures. We originally planned on leaving Infanta at 6 o'clock, but we all woke up early. I woke up at 3 o'clock, and everybody else woke up, so I told them we're leaving. Okay, Kamay ni Jesus. We'll take some photos. We'll have breakfast first. Okay, more videos. We're just looking for restrooms right now. It's quite early, so wala pa siguro o hindi pa open yung mga all the saints. The saints. Oh, Pope John Paul, I guess. Restrooms. I wonder where the cathedral. Oh, there's Papa Jesus right there. I guess it's still closed. Oh, is this the church? climbing up there. The Ten Commandment Trail. We were quite up high already actually. And we were told the way up to the Camay ni Jesus won't open until after the Mass, so not until after 10 o'clock. And we got here before 7. I thought it was 8 o'clock. Well, you can wait here. You can wait here. I'm just gonna take a look. I'm not sure. We're in the Garden of Eden. They have Noah's Ark, Adam and Eve, the garden. And then of course this Moses Trail, Ten Commandment Trail. Oh, one of the saints got toppled down. Here's Saint Joseph. No, this is the end, hon. That's it. We got to go. That's Saint Joseph. Right? With Papa Jesus. Hello, Saint Joseph. Well, we went to the 9 a.m. Mass. We heard the 9 a.m. Mass, the blessing. And we just used the restroom. And there they are. They started climbing up. And we're gonna go climb up, of course. I think there's a wedding on this chapel right here. And there's the main church. Okay, we gotta start the climb. Bless us, oh Lord, as always. Thank you for all the blessings. We are so blessed by you. Please continue to bless us. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We are so blessed. Thank you. Thank you, hon. Let's go. There's the Last Supper. Like a quarter. Agony in the garden. Han? Carrying up the cross. Han? It's not very hot. Oh, Lord, have mercy on us. Go on. It's my beautiful wife, the love of my life. We're nearing Jesus Christ. You good?
Yeah.
That's Saint Joseph. Is it? Yeah, Saint Joseph. Mama Mary, pray for us. We're getting near. We're getting very close. We just ate and we're starting the hike to Mount Pinagbanderahan. We just checked into the tourism department and no real fee, just I don't know how much, but our guide will collect it at the end. Mama Mary, pray for us always. Thank you. Hi, hon. It's 13:07, 1:07 p.m. We're just barely starting the trail. Lots of kuliglig. After a short uphill stairs, and now we're going downhill. And you know, because there's a mountain top, we're going back up later. Apa? Pretty dense forest. Okay, we're still about 500 meters.
Pwede po kayong solo tapos magkasama na po kayo mamaya.
Hindi, wala mag-solo.
Russell will lead the way. Oh, through the...
Kaya po yung magkasama ba ito?
Oh, tagal nang di pa nagdi-divorce. Ayoko yung may pababa na naman, tapos sa akin.
Hindi, inakyat na natin doon. Pababa na yun.
Look at that rock. Ah, that big boulder. It looks like limestone. Shouldn't be that steady.
Tatlo pong madre. Di lang po namin alam kung yun po ay pinatay o ano.
Anong madre?
Madre po.
Oh, madre.
Yung istorya daw.
Pero nandiyan pa yung mga buto nila, the remains.
Wala po nakikita. Wala po man lang nakikita ng ano.
Pinipicturean kita.
Pero pwedeng pumasok.
Oy,
Bawal. Dati pa yung napapasukan dyan. Ngayon pa yung hindi nagawa ko yung loob po ay may crack na.
Oh, okay.
Pero
Instead,
pwede naman po kayo pumasok hanggang dyan lang po sa
oh, that's
pangapat na baitang po.
they don't recommend going in because it's not very stable. So we're not gonna go. We're not gonna go. Law abiding naman ako eh. Okay. And that's really nice. Look at that for safety. They put some hazard line in there. There's I don't know how deep the hole is. Careful, careful. Okay. He said we're about 500 meters away, half a kilometer more, probably about another 10 minutes. It's not bad. Yeah, it is quite challenging right there. You can use the rope, Han. Yeah, hawak ka para hindi ka maano. It's quite steep. Yeah, kaya nga may ropes yun. Oh, I should use it too. I guess not. Okay. Waiting shed on or 200 meters, he
Tama
said.
yung sabi nila, Rusty.
200
Para
meters
ka
away.
maliligo.
There's Russell. They got 200 more meters. Not bad.
Akala ko pa nagbablog kayo.
Hindi, personal. So far, we're 53 minutes in. And this is, we're hitting the last part, last push. We took about a almost 10-minute break at the shed. So overall, it's not bad. We could get it from 50 to an hour 10. Last stretch. It's pretty
Puro
steep.
pala sa last.
Pretty steep. You got it, huh? One step at a time. Damn, my heart is racing. Yeah.
Dito po muna kayo, baby. Lang po kayo. Partner po.
Partner?
Opo. Nakaupo po kayo dito.
Yeah.
Yung dun.
Yung parang tinutulak ko siya.
Ikaw yung dun.
Of course.
Upo daw.
Look at that view.
Careful ha.
That's where we took our last photo. Not last time. Just of this ascent. And there's the summit. There's the summit. Mount Pinagbandera, and thank God there's a flag. Wow. We made it. And it's not too bad. Including the rest of it, it's only an hour 5 minutes. So it's not bad. 1 hour 5 minutes.
Yung malinis po yun. Ito po yung bato po.
Asan?
Ah, yun.
Yun po yung rock formation.
Tok-tok. Saan dadaan yan?
Oh, this one right here? Ito lang?
Opo. Dito po ang dami. Kaso po yung puro tusok-tusok po yun.
Ito yung bandera.
Mount Pinagbanderahan, Quezon National Forest Park in Atimonan, Quezon. Bali, Atimonan, that's the last town ng Quezon, tas Bicol na, di ba? Bicol na.
Bali, ang tawag po dati dyan ay Mount Mirador.
Mirador. Kaso pinalitan nung yung dahil three flags, di ba?
Hindi mali po pala. Ang ibig sabihin po ng Fray Banderada, Merador po.
Mirador. Okay. 1,200
Ibig sabihin naman po ng Mirador, lookout.
Lookout, oh, okay. Okay. Lookout ng mga ano, Hapon, Americans. Tapos Japanese and then Filipino. Clouds lang yan, di ba? Ay, hindi yung mga bato. Okay. We decided to go to Bantakay Falls after the trek to a hike to Pinagbanderahan. So we're starting the hike. We drove about 30 minutes to this Bantakay Falls. There's a $300 tourism fee. I guess it's 75 per person or 300 for the car. Anyway, we're starting. We have a guide. They gave us a guide for 300 pesos. It's just up to you how to tip the guide. Yeah, so we're hiking towards Bantakay Falls. That's a lot of gas. Oh, there you go. So we are here. There's a smaller falls right over there. Tiny one here. There's one on that left side. There's the main one right there. There's not much water. Oh, it's all the way up, Han. Meron pa sa taas. Okay. Oh, there's more way up there. Way up there. Meron pa naman sa taas. Wow. Yeah, meron pa sa taas.
Kala ko maliligo ka din. Mag-picture muna tayo dito.
Ay, baka matuklaw ako.
Ay.
Pwede na ako maligo dito.
Go ahead, guys. Yeah, go ahead. I wanna go up there.
Hindi malalim natin.
But take... Pero video at photohan ha. Take a video. It's worth a hike up for the real bigger falls. Look at that. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Pero hindi na ako maliligo. Pagod na ako eh. Oo. Okay lang. Wow. Wow, so beautiful. Look at that cascade. So beautiful. I opted not to go all the way up because my feet are still very tired. My legs are very tired from the Pinagbanderahan hike and have to traverse to the water to go there. I cannot go. I don't want to get my feet or my legs wet yet. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah, we had to come down because I couldn't go all the way. I could see the falls on the higher up top on the top, but I have to go through the water. I don't want to get wet. My feet are too tired. My legs are too tired. But that's really cool. And look at that one all the way up there. There's another one right there. And then actually to the left of that, there's another falls to the left of that. So beautiful. Okay, time to go Jollibee, and then we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna check in the hotel, upload some videos, upload some photos. Okay, bye bye. Ciao, 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 ciao. Pineapple plantation here, still at Atimon. Oh, sigarilyas. Okay, okay. Pineapple plantation.
O, picture ko kayo, Lai. 1, 2, 3. Asan?
Yeah, well, some of them have already, you know.
Ah, ibig sabihin may iba pang bunga.
Binila rin. Tig-isa lang ang bunga ng mga yan natin, di ba? Yan,
Ayan, mag-picture ka takin. Kuha yung mga bunga, selfie tayo.
Okay. Right up the pineapple plantation. Oh, they did kaingin. They did kaingin. Okay. Okay, we just got to wait Jollibee, and then this Red Doors Hotel in Atimonan, Quezon. It's a beautiful, nice hotel actually. Nice motel, not hotel. It's right by the sea, if you could see. think I only got it for like $45 if I'm not mistaken for a night, or even less. So I got us 2 rooms. It's way cheaper than what we had in Infanta, or $8,500 for 2 nights. But anyway, there you go. So look at that, hi hon. It's not bad for $45 a night. It's beautiful hotel. Not bad. And we requested first floor. Oh wow, it got TV, AC is really strong, and there's the bathroom. Not bad for $45. Wow, it's beautiful. And it's right by the sea. Where's my hon? Oh, we'll close it. We left our hotel in Daraga at Albay at 5 a.m. I think we bypassed Naga City. I'm just following Google. They rerouted us because the road was closed. And we're here at Lomi Place. I don't know what town this is. We're still about 4.5 hours from Atimonan, Quezon.
Anong bayan po to? San Fernando.
Salamat po. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. JPP break, and I think they want to eat some bulalo or papaitan. We're in Calawag, Quezon. We're already in Quezon. We're about 2 hours almost an hour. Bulalo, Calawag, Quezon. Bulalo.
Kabit na ka dyan? First time ko pang meron makabili eh.
Hotdog talaga eh.
Good evening mga idol. Nandito po tayo sa Albay.
Atimonan.
Jinja Albay. Kung saan may ininda silang samgyup sa Bicol.
Para sa amin.
Yung pong karne niya, buhaya. Babae po ito, hindi lalaki. Okay. Kain tayo mga idol.
Atimonan at night. Maganda naman pala ito. Tig magkano lang balot po tala akong perahan.
$25 isa.
Balot?
Oo.
Sandali ah.
O, $12 na kayo.
Pwede tikman niyo kasi.
Okay, baluot dito.
Tayo nga, kunahan, picture na kayo.
Sali kayo dito.
Dali kayo dito.
Dali mo na.
Yung nga palang nasa, idol.
Gabi.
We're in Lipa. And we're at 2.0 Lomi King. 2.0 Lomi King. And they're renting the, I think it's Hector's, kapatid ni Hector. Hector's project. There's this way. There's this, and we're gonna be eating here. Bahay na nag-sale sa Lipa. Oh my God, ang ganda. Guys, hindi, sa family vlog lang naman. Ang ganda ng bahay mo, oh my God. Ang ganda ng bahay nyo. At saka nasa mismong ano pala, guys? Eh, nasa downtown ka na rin lang. Adi,
Oo, kaya ayaw, ang yung gusto mo kitang-kita.
Kita yung sa taas.
Kaya ayaw ni Hector
Ayun.
ito.
Wow.
Dahil
Hindi, mahal ito. Nasa bayan eh.
Hindi, tsaka ang dali-dali kahit saan.
Oo.
Ba't yung kinulong sa drinks.
Lomi, tanigi, wow.
Ayan,
Hong Kong style. Okay, ulit. Crispy pata. Ano yan? Ano ito? Bicol Express.
Bicol Express. Kare-kare.
Ano yung pinakbit?
Kare-kare.
Ano yung kare-kare? Wow. Sobra. Guys, tama na to. Sobrang dami. Sobrang dami. Special halo-halo. Special halo-halo. Inside Lipa Cathedral. Wow, ang ganda. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ang ganda ng church. The church is so beautiful. So beautiful. The church is so beautiful. Ang ganda ng church. Naku, may vestibule, ha? Ang ganda ng church. Kunin mo yung vestibule, ha? So good. Divine mercy. Ganda. So beautiful. They have the organ, air organ. And the vestibule again. They call it vestibule, the altar. Not the vestibule, but the altar. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Lipa Cathedral. Ito yung organ nila. Ang ganda. So the choir would be here. We are in Calamba.
Yung van na yun,
Yung black na ba? Okay, we are in Calamba, Laguna, Jose Rizal's house. Wow. Adventures. Here in Calamba, Laguna again, Jose Rizal's house. Han, dito ka. Han, tayo ka rin. Dali. Hindi, kuha lang kita. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wala lang.
Wow, Jose Rizal's house. Wow. Sultan entrance. Wow. Rizal. Hero. Oh, ito. I guess one of the bedrooms. O, tour guide kayo rito?
Yes,
Oo, ganun ba? Oo, wow, wow. Ganda naman. O, pwede pa lang umakyat. Alam ko to pang grind. This is a grinder. Rice grinder. Look at this door. Wow. Yun yung sinasabi ko, that's Mount Makiling. That is Mount Makiling, sabi. Yun lang alam kong bundok dito sa Laguna. Bundok ng Makiling. It is Mount Makiling. Wow. Rizal. Ateneo de Manila. Dali. Sige, Beng. Bengking ako ng racket. 1, 2, 3. Ganda. Look at this. Nabasa next. Oh, they're original. Big plot. Yeah.
Hindi, ano yan? Hindi yan ang mga tao, pero may natin mga tao.
We had not the same one, but almost the same copies windows when we were growing up. On our bahay kubo. History lang yan, nga mo, Beng. There's God Jose Rizal. Pang mayaman na to, ano ba that time?
Oh, yeah.
Boys bedroom.
Pero dito yun.
Parents bedroom. Parents bedroom. I wonder how original the furniture sounds. Oh, Papa Jesus. Wow. Ganda. That's in the heart of Calamba. Main dining o Banggera. The Banggera family dining room. Tapayan, palayok, ito yung lutuan. Yung malaking, lalagyan ng isda lang yan. Lalagyan ng bigas. Lalagyan ng bigas, di ba? Lalagyan ng bigas. Bigasan. Oh, toilet. Para be the toilet.
Marami pong puso.
Oh, sa balon. There's balon. Okay. The balon. Tip well. The balon. Ito ulit balon. Yeah, balon. The well.
Pag ganun nyo.
Calamba Parish Church. siguro dyan. Very old tree. Fresco.
Pagsimbahan daw lagi friend. Hindi mo pinunan yung banga. Watch out.
Ganda ha. Picture tayo.